In the heart of ancient Athens, under the watchful gaze of the Acropolis, a grand vision was about to take shape. This was the era of Pericles, the city's charismatic ruler, and the Athenian Golden Age. The vision belonged to Ictinos, the lead architect, and Phidias, the esteemed sculptor. They were tasked with creating a monument that would symbolize Athena, the city's patron goddess, and the power of Athens. The project was nothing short of monumental. It was to be the Parthenon. As the Athenians marveled at the construction, the site buzzed with activity. Workers chiseled away at the Pentelic marble, the blue-gray stone that would be the Parthenon's pride. Yet, the task was daunting. The building was to be a temple, a masterpiece of Doric architecture, with 8 columns at the front, 17 on each side, and 46 internal columns. The crisis came when the funding for the project began to dwindle. The Peloponnesian War was raging, and Athens was stretched thin. Pericles, however, was undeterred. He saw the Parthenon not just as a temple, but as a beacon of Athenian resilience and a testament to their civilization. In a bold move, Pericles ordered the treasury to divert funds into the Parthenon's construction. The decision was controversial, but Pericles was unwavering. He believed that the Parthenon would not just be a monument, but a symbol of Athenian determination in the face of adversity. As the last marble block was put into place, the Parthenon stood, a testament to human ingenuity and spirit. Its friezes depicted the Panathenaic procession, a symbol of Athenian unity, while its metapiece showcased scenes from the Gigantomachy, a battle between the gods and the giants, symbolizing the struggle between civilization and chaos. The Parthenon, with its harmonious proportions and intricate details, was a masterpiece. It stood tall, a symbol of Athenian strength, and a monument to the power of human ambition and resilience, even in the face of war. Today, the Parthenon stands as a reminder of the past, a testament to the power of human spirit, and a beacon of hope in the heart of Athens. Its story echoes through the ages, a tale of vision, determination, and the indomitable spirit of humanity.